Well, he's been out here for a while now. He got this ends over here cut down. They were leaning all the way over here. Yeah, they were leaning. He's hauling away to the back now. And they were leaning over all the way to the chicken coop. As you can see, now he's got them cut back. Make sure you're not hauling that brush where I'll have to put him on the cable.
Yeah, I am. Shit.
Got a little buddy right here. Don't do too much, because you know you've been real weak lately with your health issues going on. I'm glad he got that cut back, because if it broke off itself, it would have landed on top over there. If you just leave those to the side, I can carry them back there.
Well, it gives me a break walking back there.
Oh, okay.
We can clean all these up right now anyway.
So today it rained the last few days, stormed under tornado warning again. Today I feel dampness in the air, but there's not supposed to be any rain today because it's all underneath us. And then it's supposed to rain. Today's, is it Thursday? Friday, I think. What's the day? Thursday or Friday?
It's
Thursday. So, no rain today, Thursday. It's supposed to rain Friday and Saturday, and then no rain Sunday. He's moving slow because of his health issues. He's not supposed. He's under limits from the doctor. Look, the guineas are getting big. The other ones are over there. There's their mama right there that hatched them out.
You can't go in and bring me some water back.
I'll go get you some water right now. Wow, he's done a lot since I've been inside. I'm working on my second channel, Reactions Gone Wild. If you all have...
Oh.
You okay? If you've not subscribed to it, subscribe to it. I'm just getting it started. I've got a welcome video on there now. Go on there, watch the welcome video. Hit like, comment, subscribe. Look how much he's gotten done. Wow. Wow. And to think that tree was all the way over here where the dog's standing on here, all the way, as you can see back there where it squashed the fence. It was on this fence, it was on that fence, and to the chicken coop. A lot of work. A lot of work. That's our beautiful Majestic dog. He's a LGD. Coming along.
Huh?
You're coming along.
Yep.
You feeling okay?
Yep.
I gotta keep checking on him or he'll keep working till he drops.
Just in low gear.
Hey, at least you're in gear. Oh, almost dropped my phone. Majestic, watching to make sure. Majestic can't go on the backside right now. He can get over that fence. But right now he's got all of this area here. You can't tell in the front. And then all that area over there, all the way to the other side of the chicken coop. Got a lot more cut. Lordy, I hope that don't fall on him. That piece there might be too big for that saw. And that's gonna come crashing down, except, well, part of it's on the roof. Damn. Darn.
Got it.
Yep, he got it all right. That whole piece came down. I'm glad I wasn't over there. I've been squished under there going, help me, I've fallen and I can't get up. I am. You need to come in and rest a while and tackle that later.
Golly.
Golly, he says. I am. Now let's get closer. Let me make this smaller so that you can actually see. Let me come over here. And you can see now where he's got all that other cut off. What it looks like. Oh, let me come this way. What it looks like. It's all squished on the tree and it goes way on back.
This is easy now.
I bet the chickens all ran. I wasn't really looking at the chickens.
That would bust easy, don't it?
Yeah. That's a hard-working man right there.
All I gotta do is just cut these limbs off and drag it out of here.
Why don't you do that later and rest? You've been working all morning. He's getting there. He's got to rest. He's been hauling all that he cut up back there. Wow. Yay. Ain't no more trees sticking up right there. So this is 90% of the tree cut up. That last 10% is the hardest because it's the biggest. Over there. But he's doing amazing. Let me walk over here in this different angle. You can see it. I see all the chickens are in. When this thing came crashing down, they all ran. Watch the fence. There you go. Lots of work. We done got like 3 piles back there. That's what it was connected to also. All of those vines. He better not have just pooped next to that gate.